This is Saturday, November 14th, 2020. This is the water leak on the outside pipe that I filmed earlier in the week. It was leaking down the pipe and dripping in front of my door, but its water flow has changed a little bit, and now it's dripping straight down onto the ground here. It's dripping pretty seriously. You can hear it now. It's getting worse, and it's been a week now. And as you can see, as I stated last time, the reason this thing is cracked is because there is a electrical conduit that my neighbor has installed that he's just decided to zip tie it to the water pipe, and it is the weight of the conduit and the wire inside it has cracked this old PVC water pipe. And the electrical conduit should actually be secured to the wall, not zip tied to a water pipe. And you can see here it comes straight down, and this is the water pipe that goes to the water outlet in front of my unit 17. And as you can see, the weight of this conduit is actually bending it down now, where eventually it'll break, and it's going to create an electrocution hazard here because it's going to be touching a metal box here, the breaker box. And the guy, when he installed it, he just drilled a hole in the side of the box, and instead of using the knockout plugs that are on the tops and the bottoms of these boxes, which is the way they should be installed, you don't really want to be drilling into electrical conduit boxes that are alive, which this one is. And you can see this, like I said, you can come across here and you can just see it dipping down, the weight of it pushing everything down, and it's pulling on this water pipe. And this is really old PVC, and somebody's wrapped a rag around it trying to hide it or make it less of a problem. But you can hear it here at the bottom dripping onto the ground. And this is where it's now. It was directly in front of my door down the middle, but the wind and the storm that we had, the tropical storm here that came in on Wednesday, obviously it shifted these pipes and the pressure on it, and it's now come back to where it's coming out. And then there's the other water leak here, which is here. This is inside the guy's unit, in unit 18. And it's just pouring water out of here. It's been like this for 2 days. Bruce came by today. There's no way he missed this because it hasn't rained here since Wednesday night. And this is water just pouring down into the street here, going away. Have no idea what he's got running inside there. I've heard rumors, people say things, that he has a hydroponics lab for marijuana in there, but I don't know. He sure smokes a lot of pot, but it's always reeking up my shop. But anyway, those are the water leaks that we got Saturday, November 14th, 2020. It's approximately 3 p.m. in the afternoon. It's units 18 is where both those are leaking over now.